staying safe at home? Yeah, be at home, be safe, and take care of yourself. Are you getting bored? Don't be. We are here to tell you some nice story. Here is a very nice conversation between two of your friends, Dora and Bunny. Let's hear it out. Two friends, Dora and Bunny, are talking with each other from their balcony. Dora and Bunny.
Hi, Dora.
Hi, Bunny. How are you?
I'm fine. Trying to enjoy holidays. Feeling sad. Can't go out. Missing malls, friends, and going out for trip.
Bunny, you are sounding too sad. Don't be sad. These are not holidays. We are staying at home to be safe. And these days are to be clean, exercise, to be with our parents.
What?
Create craft, new ideas to play, revise, write, practice and watch videos made by our teachers.
For Dora, revising, studying. Why now? I will study when school will start. There is no need to practice now.
Oh no, dear Bunny, you're not getting me. See, I'll tell you. Do you remember the poem taught by our teacher last time?
Yeah, I do remember. A deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, and that brings us back to do-o-o.
Bunny completes and enjoys singing the whole poem which he remembers. Very, very good. Now tell me, how can you remember the poem even after such a long time?
Why not? We used to sing it daily. We used to practice it daily with our teacher and my all class friends.
Now tell me, do you remember the table of four?
Yeah, you taught me last time. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 17. Oh, what am I telling?
See, the poem which your teacher taught you and you practice daily, you remember it because you practiced it daily. Even after a long time, you remember it. The table which I taught you last time, you have not practiced it. So, you forgot it.
Oh, that's true.
So, dear, we need to practice even in these days. We need to watch videos, prepare by our teachers, practice our rhymes, listen stories, and do writing practice also. It will be very helpful for us when our school reopens. Dora and Bunny say together, we need to practice daily because practice makes a man perfect.